is there any insight from the teams at the moment? I know we've talked a little bit about productivity and engineers and how they work.
Yeah.
But the actual things that get architected and built and developed and where the models might sit within those architectures and how they might be used in products and experiences for clients. I know it's really super early days, but is there any kind of thinking in that space?
Yeah, good. So I think, like the engineers said before, the early adopters, they're starting to use it, but now we need to see what comes next with the enterprises and architectures as well, whether that comes into the mix, right? We've seen a move with companies going towards microservices, containers as well. But now is the opportunity to maybe swap out one of those microservices with the LLM. It can do basically the same thing, right? But you're going to look at whether you have a LLM with the prompt engineering as well. I think those two, a combination of those two, will actually be what the future of architecture will look like.
Yeah, that's interesting,
Yeah, so lots of logic into those microservices, but that logic can be replaced with some clever prompts with LLM on top of that. So yeah, that's what I think it's going to be heading. But yeah, the topic of prompt engineering is quite large as well, because when you're dealing with something as intelligent as a large language model, so the LLM is on the right.
My left.
And yeah, okay, and you're going to have the prompt engineering on the left hand side, because it's not just text completion. It's not like Google where you put in a question, you get an answer, right? To be able to leverage or make the maximum use of the large language model, we also need to scale up, right? Increase the equation on the left-hand side, right? So having good prompts, learning prompt engineering, these techniques are the one where we can really leverage the AI and the large language models.